Right, guys, I just bought some dark web patches off the internet. A dark web, so now we're gonna be opening them when they come. So actually, now, on first. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, he bought a new girlfriend in this game.
That looks like a boy. I think you got a catfish.
Oh yeah, I got catfished. Yeah. Alright, so let's just go do some stuff. Alright, we got a new catfisher. Say hello, Daddy. You cannot talk. Alright, so now we're gonna get into the real stuff. We finally got it. Wait, what? Oh, guys. I don't know why, but the video just kept pausing. But now we got it. This guy really likes Barack Obama. Stop saying help me on. Yeah. I'm ripping up so you can't say help. Right, guys, okay, you did not see anything. Okay, so wait a minute. The door's knocking. Just don't talk about that. He's just one of my friends.
Who's this?
He's a camera.
What's this?
I'm not kidnapping him, probably.
I work for the police.
No. I'll never do that again.
Now I'm gonna tell you what.
No! He was an e-scout. He bought a dog package from the dark web. He was an e-scout. Right there, I kind of tied up. And he ran a gun. With me, I am Tommy. No! What do you know? Tommy's here! Okay. Help.